Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to add password in PowerPoint file. Full guide. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your PowerPoint template. So I'm going to simply click on this template right here just to open up this. So just like so, having opened up your PowerPoint template right here, now let's see how we can simply password protect this particular template to prevent people from having access to our PowerPoint presentation template. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to simply come to the top right here, and we need to go to File. Then from File, we simply go to Info. Then it takes us right here. Next thing we want to do here is to simply go to Password Presentation right here. And then we want to do here is to script with password. And then what we need to do right here is to enter a password that we can remember each time we want to have access to this particular PowerPoint file. So I'm going to simply enter a password. So having entered a password, I will click on OK. Then you have to retype the same password. Then hit on OK. And then you can see now that protect presentation. A password is required to open this presentation. So what we want to do now is to save the file. So I will simply go back to the file. So right here, I'm going to simply click on here. So, and we have something like this. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on save. Just like so. Then I will simply save this particular presentation into my desktop. Then I will simply click on save right here. So just click on yes right here. And desktop. Then simply click on save presentation. Just like so. So I'm going to simply close this. Now I want to open the file. So what we want to do next is to simply, here is the file, and then I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard, and it's going to load up. Then it requires password to access the file. What we want to do now is to simply enter the password we use to when we create the file, and we hit on OK. And you have full access back to the presentation without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add password to your PowerPoint presentation file to protect people from having access to your file. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.